Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry and cherries jam the easiest way. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. I'll start by making strawberry jam. Ingredients: you're going to need lemon juice about 1 tablespoon, 1 cup of sugar, which is approximately to 210 grams, and lastly 450 grams of strawberries. So the first step, make sure you've washed your strawberries. Then afterwards, remove the crown and cut the strawberries into small pieces as you can see in the video. Once you're done cutting the strawberries, you're going to add 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix everything well. Continue mixing the strawberry until the sugar dissolves. Once the strawberries releases some juice like this, I'm going to take this hand mixer, or you can use a blender or a potato masher. Then blend the strawberries into small particles. Do not blend them completely. Once you're done blending the strawberries, place them on a medium heat. Stir continuously over medium heats and bring the strawberries to boil. So make sure do not increase the heat. Then stir often to make sure the jam doesn't burn at the bottom. Let your jam to cook until it becomes thick. Once your strawberry jam is thick like this, I'm going to take a small amount and I'm going to put on a plate. If the strawberry jam is running, then your strawberry jam is not ready. And if the strawberry jam is thick like this, then your strawberry jam is ready, and remove it from the fire and place it aside. Afterwards, you're going to place your strawberry jam in a glass jar and let it to cool down completely before placing it in the fridge. And our strawberry jam is ready, and it can last for approximately 1 month and 2 weeks. The next step, I'm going to make cherries jam. Ingredients: you're going to need lemon juice about 2 tablespoons, 2 cups of sugar, which is approximately to 450 grams, and lastly 800 grams of cherries. So the first step, make sure you've washed your cherries. Then afterwards, remove the inner pit of the cherries as you can see in the video and place them in a bowl. Once you're done removing the inner pit of the cherries, you're going to add 2 cups of sugar, which is approximately to 450 grams. Then squeeze some lemon juice about 2 tablespoons. Using a spatula, mix everything well until the sugar dissolves. At this point, you have two options. You can use a potato masher or you can use a hand mixer like this. Then blend the cherries into small particles. Do not blend them completely. Once you're done mashing or blending your cherries, add them to a saucepan, then stir continuously over medium heat and bring the cherries to boil. So make sure do not increase the heat. Then stir often to make sure the jam doesn't burn at the bottom. Let your jam to cook until it becomes thick. Once your jam is thick like this, I'm going to take a small amount and I'm going to place on a plate. If it's running, then your jam is not ready. And if it's thick like this, then your cherries jam is ready, and remove it from the fire and place it aside. Afterwards, you're going to place your cherry jam in a glass jar container and let it to cool down completely before placing it in the fridge. And our homemade cherries jam is ready. As you can see in the video, it can last for approximately 1 month and 2 weeks. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.